Yesterday, the gold created a bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle, where the price has took these two candles before, which means 2 days ago, which were created. And also it is a continuation of this bearish sentiment, this bearish breakout that has been formed 3 days ago, which means this is a continuation of the bearish sentiment where the price will try to reach this area of support. If you have watched yesterday analysis, I have mentioned that there is expectation that the price could drop down, but we need to see where the price will make a breakout. On the 4-hour time frame since yesterday, we'll see how the price has behaved. The price has started from yesterday here, starting with these bearish candles, and then eventually made a bearish breakout below this area of support. This is on the 4-hour time frame. If you have watched yesterday analysis, yesterday I have mentioned that this here, a bearish breakout, this is on the 1-hour time frame, I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, where the target was around this one here, and this was a successful trade for the traders inside the premium analysis. If you would like to join the traders inside the premium analysis group, feel free to check the link below in the description. After this bearish breakout below this area of support, below 3365.01 on the 1-hour time frame, the price has reached this daily support level at 3355.61. From here, the price is bouncing for several hours, and we can see the price has tried to return back above this area of resistance, but unsuccessful, and we can see a strong bearish candle has been formed on the market where the price has reached the 4-hour time frame at 3343, a support level, a very important one, which I have mentioned that the price, if the price goes below this area of support, it will get inside this small range area that has stuck the price for a while. After that, we can see the price has bounced back again inside this indecision range area, and then waiting for the breakout. The breakout has formed on the lower side, which means the bears have took the chances and pushed the price further down, where the price has reached very close to 3328.96. This is the level also I have mentioned in the previous analysis. Feel free to check the daily analysis during this week. From here, the price has bounced back up, and we can see the price has tried to move further down for the second time below this area of support, but unsuccessfully, and currently it is trying to return back above, which means 3343 is a very important resistance level for now for the price. What we can expect today? Based on this one, what I can see, it is a daily bearish engulfing candle, continuation of this bearish candle, which is also a bearish breakout below this area of support. I'm expecting that the price will try to reach again further down lower levels, which means around this area, which is 3324. And you can see that I already have shared this inside the premium analysis. This is also a bearish breakout waiting for the price to reach lower levels. This is what I'm expecting, but this is also currently a daily time frame showing a bearish sentiment, a bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value. On the 4-hour time frame, this is also which I have shared yesterday with the traders. This bearish breakout that has been formed with the target at 3325.28, very close to this area of demand zone. Now, the daily time frame shows a bearish sentiment. The 4-hour time frame, it is also bearish, but currently if very strong support cannot be broken easily, so we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. If it returns back above this area of resistance, it will again be inside the indecision range area, where price will need to find its way outside, making a bullish breakout going up, or making another bearish breakout going further down. On the 1-hour time frame, currently this is at the resistance level, which needs to be weighted and see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. Will it be broken to the upside, or it will bounce back down, returning to the lower levels? This is something to watch. So 1-hour time frame is currently waiting outside of the market. 4-hour time frame slightly bearish, but we also need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. And the daily is bearish oriented. Today is a Friday, which means a Friday usually makes problems around technical analysis, which means also this bearish engulfing candle could be invalidated by the price going above reaching this area of resistance. But have in mind that this bearish engulfing candle is still valid until the price makes a breakout above this area 3375, which is slightly above this top price of this candle. Now the price could go up and then reverse back down, but also the price could easily go further down, reaching this area of support. And it is Friday. During the rest of the day, in the second part of the day, the price could bounce, retracing back up, which means older sellers have pushed the price back down to this area of support could exit their trades, which will trigger the buying opportunity and rising in value for the price. What will happen? Let's go step by step, watching first of all 1 hour time frame to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, and also how the price will behave further on during the day. If you would like to receive the updates during the day, like other traders inside the Premium Analysis, feel free to join the Premium Analysis. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.